Hello, I'm back again with this sun print paper, and as you can see the sun is streaming through the window, so I am going to have another go with it. I've got some different things here and I'm going to close the curtain for a bit to put everything on and then put it in the windowsill, and then I'll come back to you later. I realised one of the things I did wrong the last time was like the leaves didn't lie down flat, so they didn't form a very sharp shadow blocking out the sun is what I mean. So I've got a range of different things here. I'm going to clear my windowsill and probably do 2 or 3 sheets and we'll see how we get on. So just to remind you, this is the sun print paper from Tobar and there's 10 sheets and it cost me £4.51. You are meant to use them within 6 months of buying them, and I can't remember when I actually bought them. I'm doing this bit with the curtains closed to block out as much sun as I can. I'll get out, oops, sellotape stuck. 2 pieces of paper and put them face down, close up the packet and put it away again. Down there. So I'm going to put these onto this mat so that I don't jiggle things around too much when I move it onto the windowsill. So I'll do one and then I'll do the other one. Oh, this looks like it's already got some shadow on it. So I have no plan in terms of what's going on for the pattern. I just want to see how it's going to turn out. And this may be the right thing to do. It may be the wrong thing. I don't know. I really don't know. But you put this in the bright sunlight for, it says anything from 5 to 30 minutes. And then, oh yeah, I wanted to do this as well. So let's move you up there. And let's put you over there like that. And we'll turn the other piece around. Have you going like that. And then I want a bit of this. So, I don't really want all of that bit, but I don't want to cut the thing off. Okay, it is going to have to go like that then. So these are old buttons that I've got. I'm going to try this heart shape again, see if I get a better imprint this time. A bit more diagonally. Oh! Let's move you. And let's have 4 hearts together to make a flower. I have a feeling this is going to fall off. So what if I put it underneath that? And then I'm not going to get so much of the dotties on, but that's fine. I can live with that. Right. So I'm going to put this in the window for 30 minutes and see what happens. I'll be back shortly. So here are my results this time. I think I have to wash the paper off a bit better because there's these marks there from the chemicals. So I think I need to wash it and then wash it again in clean water because the water goes quite yellow. But I'm very pleased with that. Like this bit. And then there's this one. Again, it's got the marks. I don't know if I can wet the paper again and they will disappear. I may try it, and if it works, I'll pop a picture in. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm quite impressed with that paper, and I'm learning each time I do it about what works and what doesn't. So this little heart, wherever it's gone, this one, the details are too fine for it to show through. And these rings, I think the reason they've ended up the shape they are is because of the way the sun moves, maybe, I'm guessing. So I think I'll try it again another day with paper cutouts laid down, because then they won't create like a bit of a shadow, because I think that's why some of it moves a little bit. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.